I'm out here with the Fimi X8. It looks good. Never really flown it that much, but you know, I've had these issues with the GPS falling out on me, so I want to come out and fly it around a little bit and see if I'm going to have any more of those kind of issues. So let me start some video. And let's take off. What the hell, right? Let's go take a look at the dam. Okay, we're 1,000 feet out. That's to the dam from where I'm standing. And 59 feet up. Let's take a look at me over here. I'm over that way. I'm just down lower, that's all. The video signal seems to be dropping out a little bit. I don't know. It's hard to tell. Well, that's the way it seems to me. So, well, let's just go out more. I got 18 satellites. Well, you know, guys, I had that issue with this thing with the satellites before. So, we'll see, right? We'll see. Let's go this way a little bit more. Okay. Well, we're at 3,700 feet now. Got 80% battery still. Okay, well, I made it to the road. Pretty damn close. That's 4,500 feet. The signal does seem to be breaking up a smidge. So let's turn around and come back. I mean, I'm sure it would go a mile. I just don't want to go. I don't want to go across that road. For me to do the whole mile, I have to fly it from back where the dam is and not up here at this other parking lot. But I mean, I'm not worried about it. I know it'll go another couple of feet. But like I said, the signal was breaking up a little, so who knows if it would have lasted much longer than that. Oh, the signal just cut out there. But I'm 1,000 feet closer than I was the first time it cut out. I got the antennas pointed right at it. So, I don't know. I don't know about the range on these things. I don't know if they're actually as advertised. Because I'm in a pretty damn wide open place here. I mean, there's nothing here. Okay, it's coming in. All right. Well, it performed okay. I mean, it didn't... Plus, I noticed there was another update, but I didn't want to update it. I already warmed up the quadcopter and everything for the flight, so I saw an update come in, and I didn't want to... Let me stop the video. yeah, I didn't want to throw an update on there while I was, you know, warming up the quad, getting ready to take off. And I saw that, well, you'll see it on the screen if I leave it on there, on the screen recording, that there was an update available. So we'll just put that one on tomorrow or when I get back home. But yeah, flew great, you know, other than that little break up there at that, what, 40, maybe 4,800 feet or something. It started breaking up a little bit, but I mean, who knows? I probably could have pushed it more if I wanted, but I really didn't want to go across the highway there. So like I said, when I'm over here, I have to be over there to get the mile. I have to take off from, it's hard to, you know, the gimbal's tilting. I was going to point the drone over there, but you know, over there where the dam is, and to do that all the way to the end, that's a mile. From here, it's not. So all right, guys, there you go. Have a nice day.